Alright, so let us paste the link here and let's open it. So here is it here. I'm going to click anywhere, maybe here. I'll click on register. Here we can register an account. Let's say I already created an account with this email, so if I try to do that again, it's going to refuse. So let me do it with an account that is not existing. Let me enter a password, enter another password, click on sign up. So this is it here. So if you click here, you're going to see I'm still working on other options that I'm going to list here, but for now we have these two, this one and this one that are working. So for this video, let me just test this one. I'll click on it. So for example, if you are preparing for this English exam ICE and you want to evaluate your writing skills, you have written a letter and you want to have a review of how you performed on that letter, what you can do is you can come, you enter the question here. So maybe the question says write a letter to do what, you come, you enter here. Let me just say we have here, it says, so this is the question here: a friend of yours is going on holidays, write a letter to that's it then. And then here you write your letter. So what you have written as letter, write it here. So let me just pick this one. Dear Chris, stands for, so this is the letter I've written. So I click on evaluate. So the system is now going to go through this letter and then bring a technical review of that letter and what score you can possibly have if an examiner should evaluate it. And this is the result here. So we have task fulfillment is giving 4 on 5. It's supposed to be on 9. It's giving 4 on 5, 5 on 5, 5 on 5, 5 on 5. So that's the evaluation. If you're not satisfied with what you receive, or if you just want to confirm, you can go back and evaluate again. You have a different evaluation of the same letter, and every time is even more insightful. So that is it. With time, I'm going to include many other options here. So this is what we have back. We have task fulfillment. It is trying to tell what if the writer have achieved task fulfillment. So yeah, he's saying that the score is 8. Coherence and cohesion. Lexical resource is giving coherence and cohesion is giving 8. The score is 8. Estimated score. And then for lexical resource is giving 6. And then for grammatical range is giving 7. And then it tells that at the end it says that there are areas that you can improve on, and that is accuracy of grammar and variety of sentence structures could be improved. So that's it.